video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your unneeded leftovers for amazing, easy dinner. Watch until the end. Hello everyone, it's Oksana and thank you for coming. People often asking my husband, oh, your wife is a food blogger, so probably your everyday dinner looks like this, but in reality, it looks like this. Yes guys, I am a human being, and like any other human being, sometimes I'm ordering food or I'm even buying the roasted chicken from the supermarket. Roasted chicken from the supermarket, it's not very bad idea, but since I am a food blogger, we hardly ever eat it as it is. I always have a nice idea how to make it taste much better. Or maybe you have chicken leftovers in your fridge. So watch this video until the end, and in 15 minutes you're gonna have amazing creamy chicken hash. The only thing we need for this dish is roasted chicken, and we need some potatoes, boiled potatoes. You can boil them until they're soft, or you can put your potatoes in the microwave, and while you're preparing the sauce, it's gonna be ready. Okay, we'll start from the chicken. You remove the legs. We're not gonna use the skin for this dish. We remove the skin, make sure you don't have any bones left. It's a little messy, but it's well worth it, believe me. Okay, now after we removed all the skin and bones, we just cut our chicken breast in cubes. We cube it. Make a little, don't make it too small. Like this size is okay. So you cube your meat. We're done with the chicken. You don't need to remove it anywhere. Who needs extra dirty dishes? You just take a big cutting board. What I do with potatoes, I just cut them in half. I peel the skin. It's very easy. You do it with a knife or simply with your hands. And again, chop your potatoes. Don't chop them too small so they not become mashed potatoes. There is actually not exact recipe. You make as much chicken as much potatoes you need for your family to eat. I'm making 3 potatoes and like 2 chicken breasts and 1 leg. So it's more than plenty for my family. You make as much as you want. You can make 1 chicken breast with 1 potato. Doesn't matter really. Now we cubed our chicken, we cubed our potatoes, and the only thing left, we need to do our sauce.
Finely chop your onions and cook it in a medium heat until tender. Add your flour and salt. Stir it all together. Add your cream and cook it stirring until thickened. Don't let it bubble too much, make it on a lower heat.
That's it, my friends. The sauce is ready. The only thing is left. We put in our chicken and potatoes into the saucepan. Let it simmer for a couple minutes and it's ready.
Stir in potatoes and chicken and on a lower heat simmer it for a couple minutes. Garnish it with parsley and enjoy your wonderful creamy chicken hash.
The one, the only, the best part of the video. I think it's fantastic recipe. 15 minutes, your dinner is ready. It's not fancy, it's everyday meal. We used all the leftovers. Follow me.